Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Monday and then today, Tuesday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Monday, so that is where that orange line is coming from. But because of the gap down, the chart is hard to see, so what I'm going to do is move this over here, and you'll see how that fixes the proportions for us. So there we go. Now, the big dynamic that happened today was the price was finally able to break up above that orange trend line right there. There's still work to be done, but that was step one. After breaking up above it, the next step was, okay, well, let's see if the price can kind of maintain itself a little bit. Let's see if the price can at least stabilize, and that also was accomplished. It stabilized right here above the $1.32 mark. So the price got above the orange line, and then the bears did try to press it down several times, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls held strong right there, which, is suggesting that, hey, maybe this thing is trying to finally chip away at some sort of bottom. Yeah, there is some sort of upwards, movement with it, but nothing big or anything like that. Now, I should note that, and I really wish trading was this easy, that because all these dynamics have occurred, does that mean that this is for sure the bottom and this thing is for sure bouncing either on Wednesday or Thursday? Like I said, I wish trading was that easy. There is no such thing as a for sure or guarantee. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of continued upwards movement? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all. It's at least logical to think that now, given how these dynamics have started to play out. But again, just because something's rational and logical doesn't mean that it will for sure happen. And that is why, as always, risk management, risk control systems are so important within a trade plan. But in the event this is some sort of stabilization and the price, begins to bounce to the upside, where are some of these potential areas of resistance at? I am also just going to go ahead and get rid of that line there. It served its purpose. But as far as levels of resistance, initial area is going to be right up there at the $1.47 mark. If the price can push through $1.47, next key level after that, right up around $1.55, or excuse me, $1.58. So $1.47, $1.58, next couple areas of resistance if this little upwards movement has some sort of genuine power behind it. But anyway, look at it. Interesting setup going forward. We'll see if the bulls have something up their sleeve or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.